once again.
Exercise 8.4. Today we are going to see fifth sum. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expression are defined. The first question, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole squared equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So we have to consider the left hand side. From that we have to prove the right hand side. First we can write the question. The question number, first sum, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So the left hand side we can consider. We have to prove the, so left hand side we can write. What is the left hand side? They are given cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Already I teach you the shortcut method. You have to draw like that. Here we consider sine. Here we can consider cos. Here we consider tan. Sine opposite cosecant. Tan cos opposite secant. Here we have to write cot. So using this, how to solve this we can see. So the left hand side equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to cosecant theta. What is the reciprocal of cosecant theta? Those cosecant theta reciprocal is sin theta. Already we know cosecant theta we can write 1 divided by sin theta. So this we can use here. Instead of cosecant theta we can write 1 divided by sin theta minus cot theta. Cot theta we can write sin theta divided by cos theta. Already we know the formula. We can use here cot theta we can write, cot theta we can write cos theta divided by sin theta. Cot theta we can write cos theta divided by sin theta. That we can write here cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. So the denominator here also sin theta, here also sin theta. Write sin theta. Numerator is 1 minus cos theta whole square. So numerator separately we can write, denominator separately we can write. Numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square and the denominator sin square theta. So already we know that a square, how we can write? A into a. Like that numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square we can write 2 times 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So the denominator sin square theta. Already we know, here we will consider 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Already I explained you sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If you need sin square theta, we will transfer cos square theta to that side, 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sin square theta, you can write 1 minus cos square theta. So the numerator 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta and the denominator, here again we are using the formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square, how we can write? A plus b into a minus b. Instead of 1 we can write 1 square. Now we can use the formula 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So numerator also have 1 minus cos theta, denominator also have 1 minus cos theta, so we can cancel. So the answer is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this is your right hand side. We proved 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So it is right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved.